Hello, and welcome to another episode of Nebo Unboxed. I'm Zach, and today I'm unboxing Nebo's Slim Plus. It's a rechargeable LED light with a laser pointer and a power bank. You'll find all the instructions printed on the gift box, but let's go ahead and get it out of the box to take a look. The first thing you'll notice when removing the Slim Plus from its box is the stylish matte black design with the black reflector around the LED in the face of the light. On the back of the light, you'll notice the USB charging cable attached to the removable clip and the hanging hook that swings open to hang the light. There is also a magnet on the back of the clip and at the base of the light here, both of which are useful for hands-free lighting operation. The clip also has a rubber grip on the inside to prevent the light from slipping off while in use. And the Slim Plus can get even slimmer. To remove the clip, simply turn it counterclockwise and pull it out away from the light. Reattaching the clip is easy. Simply repeat these steps in reverse order like so. On the side of the Slim Plus here is the USB charging port. To charge the Slim Plus, simply plug the micro USB end of the included charging cable into the Slim Plus and the USB side of the charging cable into a USB charging block. While charging, a battery indicator light will shine red. Once the Slim Plus has been fully charged, the light will turn green. At the top of the light here is a USB port which can be used to quickly charge your other devices, like your smartphone. Simply plug your device into the Slim Plus's USB port at the top and it will begin to charge your device. You can even use the light while charging another device. The battery indicator light on the Slim Plus will shine green for about 3 seconds to indicate it has more than 10% battery life remaining. But if the light shines red continuously, that indicates it has less than 10% battery life remaining and should be charged immediately. Also, at the top of the Slim Plus is its red laser pointer. To activate the laser, from off, simply press and hold the power button on the side of the light here. The laser will turn on and stay on as long as you hold the button, and it has a battery life of up to 20 hours. To turn off the laser, simply release the button. Okay, now let's take a look at the main feature of the Slim Plus, its light. Like most of Nebo's products, the Slim Plus features a high-quality LED with a minimum lifetime of 50,000 hours. To turn on the light, simply press the power button on the side. To turn it off, simply press the power button a second time. Simple, right? The Slim Plus will automatically turn on in its highest mode for the first time you turn it on, which is up to 700 lumens and shines at a distance of up to 60 meters for 1.5 hours. But the Slim Plus also features dimming capabilities with power memory. So, with the light on, you can press and hold the button to dim the light down, and the light will flash when you reach the lowest setting, which is up to 70 lumens, shining at a distance of up to 19 meters for 6 hours. The Slim Plus will also use its power memory feature to always turn on in the most recently used brightness setting. To raise the brightness back up, while on, simply hold the button down again until the light flashes to indicate you have reached the maximum brightness setting. The light will always flash when you have reached either the brightest or the dimmest setting. Also worth noting is the Slim Plus's IPX4 water resistance rating. That, combined with its 1 meter impact resistance rating, powerful light, and its included power bank and all of the mounting options, makes it the perfect EDC light for any adventurer. It really is a great addition to the Slim lineup, and I think you guys are going to love it. Well, that'll do it for this episode of Nebo Unboxed. As always, it's been a pleasure. I'm Zach, and we'll see you next time.